What is going on, people? This is your boy Wanga and you guys are watching Wanga Adventures. In this video, we'll be continuing from where we left off on the previous one. On the previous video, we shared with you our journey in the Kruger National Park, where we started at Kunda Maria Gate and drove to Skukuza. We slept in a safari tent and woke up in the morning, had a leke breakfast and hit the road. The plan for today is to drive from Skukuza to Letaba, where we'll find our safari tent waiting for us. So stay tuned, guys. We hope you enjoyed this video, and if you do, please hit the like button and let us know in the comment section what you like the most in the video.
It's good.
This one?
We had good times driving in the park. You know the drill, guys. The speed limit is 50 kilometers per hour, and sometimes it gets real quiet. You can drive for kilometers and kilometers without spotting any animals. Luckily for us, we managed to spot some animals, including giraffes, which are Madam's favorites. And before we know it, we found ourselves at Oliphant's Rest Camp, where we enjoyed a magnificent view of the Oliphant River. That's a big SUV Toyota Fortuner, but it looks like a small thing. One is parked next to the bull African elephant. Look at him, Kaki.
You said nothing remains. You see that water in the stove. Did you see that after Kak is remains?
Yeah.
You said there's none.
But it's closed now, so you think they smell?
Yeah, but those things they smell. We wash them.
We finally arrived at camp. Like I said earlier, today we are camping at Letaba. We checked in and this is us arriving to the camp. Ladies and gentlemen, this is our campsite here. Wow. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So the fridge is located outside. Just remove the piece of wire there and open. So we've got a fridge here that has a freezer. Oh, beautiful. And then we've got 4 bunk beds. And a fan. Wow. Mommy is already rested. We rested a little bit, enjoying looking at the bush and the sounds of the wild birds. We then went to check out the pool, and I couldn't resist to jump in and cool myself down after a long and hot day of driving. But while swimming, my stomach started doing krr, 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 krr. Then I knew I was hungry. So was the case to Madame. We left the pool and went to the shop to buy some firewood. Yeah, the campfire is ready. Mommy is preparing pop for us as we wait for the fire to go down, just like we did yesterday. So this tent is a bit different from the one we were at last time, but the only difference is the entrance, because here we have a sliding door. As you can see my stomach there on the sliding door, while on the previous one we had just a door. But it's beautiful because as we stand here we can hear hippos. I believe in few minutes or anytime anything can happen. Any type of animal can just walk through here. We ate and sat around the fire, reflecting on the beautiful day we had. We then called it a night. This was our last night in the park, and to be honest, I did not want the sun to set. I mean, who would want to leave such a gorgeous place? And unfortunately, it happened exactly the way I did not want. I just closed my eyes for a second, and it was morning. We had to wake up, pack our stuff, and leave the park. We had a 6-hour drive to where we stay, and we had to arrive early so we can rest, get Madam ready for work the following morning. And this is us exiting Letaba rest camp, and we are out. We exited via Palaboro Gate, which is 54 kilometers from where we were. We then said our goodbyes to the park and we hit the road. This was the end of our trip and unfortunately the end of this video. Please like the video if you liked it, and if you haven't done so, please subscribe to our channel and hit the notification button so you can be notified every time we upload an epic video like this one. Until then, stay blessed.